In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import website Squarespace tutorial. We'll walk through where to find the import tools inside your Squarespace dashboard and look at the available sources so you know exactly what to expect before you bring anything in. Start by opening your Squarespace website. From the dashboard, go into your site so you can see the main controls for that specific website. When you're in, click the highlighted website section to reveal more options. This takes you to the area where you manage pages, design, and settings. Next, head into Import and Export Content. This is the built-in tool Squarespace provides for bringing material from other platforms into your site. It's a good idea to have a quick plan for what you want to import, typically blog posts, basic pages, images, and galleries. Design and theme settings don't transfer, so you'll restyle things in Squarespace after the content arrives. Click Import to see your choices. First, select WordPress. This path is used when you have a WordPress export file, usually in XML. If you were proceeding, you'd upload that file so Squarespace can read your posts, pages, categories, and media. For now, we're just reviewing the workflow, so click Cancel to back out and return to the list of sources. Cancel is handy anytime you click into the wrong source or want to compare options. Back on the sources screen, choose Tumblr. Squarespace can bring in your Tumblr posts and associated media. As before, this is where you'd connect the account or provide the export, depending on what's available. We're not continuing the import in this walkthrough, so click Cancel to step back again. Now select Blogger. This option is for sites exported from Blogger, typically as an XML file that includes posts and images. If you were completing the process, you'd point Squarespace to that file and let it process the content. We're only surveying the flow here, so click Cancel one more time to return to the import menu. That's the tour of the import area. A few quick tips before you dive in on your own. Make sure you're working on the correct site in your account, confirm you have the proper export from your original platform, and expect large libraries to take some time to process. After any import, review your pages and posts, fix internal links, and tidy up navigation. When you're ready, repeat the same path. Website, import,